welcome to school too.
You dey born pikin?
This is what you are doing. This is what you are doing. One day you will need my help in this compound.
Okay,
One day you will need it. Either you need pepper or you will need salt from me.
See then.
Don't worry.
Now shit thing they talk about me.
You will now go there and go and spend another 1 year.
Shit never catch you. Now I say shit no worry yourself. Who dey there? Wow. Oga shit small.
Only him, only him. He's using no toilet. The entire 100 people, the whole community.
Leave my.
He's using one toilet.
Party position. Don't go drink already.
Joseph has did this place, eh?
Nah, no. Over 3 hours. Make I go.
Jesus! Jesus is Lord!
I don't know if I even do this.
Can you carry my foot? There's an logistic. No, she's ready. And you have a house not take 1 hour.
School too.
Jennifer.
Welcome to school.
I'm Silo, and this is my boyfriend.
No.
Please. No. Keep watching School too. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you.
School too.